Hello YouTube, welcome back to Coding with Glen, and please subscribe to the channel and comments are allowed, please, so that I can know what's need to improve and help you with. And in this module, we're going to take it over from where we left in module 1, and this is going to be module 2, and we're going to improve from the concepts we had. So this is like a growing in Python beginner module, and we will improve from what we had learned in the previous and explain further. So let's look at some things we're going to be looking and tackling in this module. So we improve from our last module. We introduced more features that we are talking about the dictionary in the last feature about functions, but we didn't get into detail more. So here we improve our knowledge, improve everything about that, and we set about the conditions and functions, look at classes in detail, OOP, design pattern, design architecture, as well as simple algorithms, simple git commands. So what we're going to be doing in this module, we're going to put everything together from the last module and add on to it. We also going to be looking at the inputs and print. I remember that we didn't look at the inputs, we were just dealing with variables without input. And in this tutorial we will look also at format specifiers. So hold on and listen to me as I help you and take you through the stages of development, and you will be quite confident in Python. And please, in our last module, that is going to be module 3, we're going to be looking into detail other extended features like files and mode storage types. And please hold on, and we'll look at exception handling and modules. So please hold on and just move with me as I move, and I'll take you through to the further and to the end of Python, and you will be confident, and we'll build a simple project that to combine everything that we have learned, and you'll be confident, I promise you. And thank you, YouTube.